Welcome to Drift Horizon, where passion meets precision, and the world of drifting comes alive. If you crave the thrill of the perfect corner, the roar of modified engines, and the artistry of controlled chaos, you're in the right place. 2025 is shaping up to be a defining year for drifting, with innovation, skill, and ambition colliding like never before. Electric-powered drift cars are making waves, offering instant torque and jaw-dropping acceleration. These machines are proving they're not just the future but a formidable force in the present. Watching them tear up the track is a spectacle, with tire smoke and electric hum creating a unique atmosphere that redefines what drifting feels like. This year also marks the rise of a new generation of drifting prodigies. Young drivers are stepping into the spotlight, blending raw talent with cutting-edge technology. They're mastering techniques that once seemed impossible, creating lines that challenge physics and elevate drifting to an art form. But it's not just about the drivers or the cars. The global drifting community is stronger than ever. Fans, builders, and racers are coming together, sharing ideas, and driving the culture forward. The internet and social media are fueling this growth, giving us access to live events, behind-the-scenes footage, and insights into the lives of our favorite drivers. Competitions are reaching new heights, with international circuits hosting events that test the limits of man and machine. From Japan's iconic mountain passes to purpose-built tracks in Europe and the US, every corner, every transition, and every clutch kick tells a story of precision and passion. Tuning shops and aftermarket manufacturers are also stepping up their game, introducing parts designed for ultimate performance and reliability. Whether it's suspension setups for perfect grip or engines built for maximum power, these innovations are helping teams and individuals dominate in ways we've never seen before. 2025 is the year of evolution, and it's all happening right now. From the garage to the track, from grassroots events to global championships, this is a moment to celebrate the art and culture of drifting like never before. Drift Horizon is here to bring you closer to it all. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just discovering the world of drifting, we're here to keep you inspired, informed, and excited. Stay tuned for more insights, epic builds, and the stories behind the people who make it all possible. Remember, this isn't just a channel, it's a movement. Keep pushing limits, chasing perfection, and living the drift life. See you in the next one.